click on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a pork meat with mushroom and bell pepper, a capsicum. And how do I make it delicious? That I'm going to share with you. Without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. 1 teaspoon each black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, degi mirch, salt, ginger, garlic paste 1 teaspoon each. Then I'm going to use 1 bowl mushrooms. I'm going to use for bell pepper. I'm using half of each, orange color, yellow color and green color, and red color. I'm using the whole bell pepper. I cut into long slices. I have a nice size of pork chop. They are boneless. And I'm going to cut this meat into small pieces. I'm going to cut the meat in thin slices like this. So this is a perfect size, and it won't take that long to cook, and it's going to cook better and it's going to taste better. And I'm going to finish up all the pieces. I'm almost done with my meat. I cut all the meat into nice pieces. And now I'm going to transport this meat into the bowl. So I spread out the meat evenly, and I'm going to bring all the spices. Garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, degi mirch, and black pepper. 1 teaspoon ginger paste and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to get a fork and I'm going to mix them well. You can use your hand, whatever you prefer. All the masalas is nicely incorporated, and this is our marination. And now we're going to let it sit for half an hour. Our meat has been marinated for half an hour, and I'm going to bring the fry pan. I'll start a gas, and I'm going to bring 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. All the masala, everything is inside. This meat takes a longer to cook, so what we're going to do, we're going to mix it well, and we're going to cook this one 20 to 30 minutes until it's fully cooked. So we're going to cook our meat on a high gas, and we're going to keep turning. It's going to take some time. Cover with the lid. As the pork meat takes longer to cook, so it's going to take 20 minutes to 30 minutes on a high gas. On every 5 minutes or so, I'm going to open the lid. I'm going to toss around so it won't get burned. And once it's going to be fully cooked, the time we're going to bring another pan, we're going to saute our bell pepper and mushroom. Cooking with the closed lid for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it and I turned all the pieces over. Look at this. It will release all the water. The meat is fresh, but I just washed with the cold water prior to cutting it. And I wanted to cook additional 5 minutes with the closed lid. If we look at right now, the meat is still firm. So we're going to cook additional 5 minutes with the closed lid. Cooking our meat with the closed lid for 20 minutes. First 10 minutes, I just turned the meat over twice. But the last 10 minutes, every 2 minutes later, I turn it over. And now I'm going to open it. There's no more water. It will release all the oil, and we can check it out. So this is how the meat looks. Wow, look at this. Nice color at the bottom. They're looking really nice. And if I try to cut the meat for 20 minutes, the meat is nicely cutting. So our meat is cooked. So if you look at, within 20 minutes, meat is fully cooked. So as you see, it's a nicely fully cooked. And I'm going to bring my gas on a low. And now we're going to saute our vegetable. As we've seen, our meat is fully and nicely cooked for 20 minutes. And I'm going to close it. And I'm going to bring this pan over here, and I'm going to swap it so you can see it better. I'm going to bring the gas high on this one, and I'm going to start the gas on this one, and I'm going to bring the gas on low. It's gonna stay warm on simmer. And on this one, now we're going to saute our mushroom and bell pepper. And for that, I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon olive oil. So we're going to saute our mushroom. As our mushroom, they takes a little time to get tender. So after turning it over, I'm going to bring the gas on medium. I'll use the same lid and I'm going to put it on top of it. And we're going to cook it for 3 minutes with the closed lid so that the mushroom, they can get tender. Then with the open lid, we're going to cook it, and then I'm going to bring the bell pepper, the capsicum. The capsicum does not take that long to cook. Cooking our mushroom on medium gas for last 3 minutes with the cover lid. And the mushroom shrink into half of the size. And now I'm going to bring the bell pepper, the capsicum. And we're going to saute on high gas. I'm going to bring the gas on high and we're going to saute them, and I'm going to keep turning them. Within 2 to 3 minutes they will be done. Once they're done, then I'll bring the fry pan on this side. Meat has released a lot of oil in there, and also all the spices are in there. You can add salt or black pepper. I'm not going to add. We have enough spices in there. So once we're going to bring all the vegetable into our meat, then it's going to mix with the masala and it will be good. So within like 3 minutes, our bell pepper will be nicely sauteed. Another minute, so altogether 2 minutes. On this side, I'm going to turn my gas high for the meat so it can get warm, and we're going to cook additional 1 more minute. I only want to cook the bell pepper, the capsicum, for 3 minutes, not more than that. So we have altogether 3 minutes. Now I'm going to turn up the gas on this side. I'll bring the meat on this gas, and I'll transport all the mushroom and the bell pepper into this pot. I always say this, I love these pots. How nice, beautiful it looks, clean. And now it's the time to mix it well. Now on a high gas, I'm going to keep turning. So I'm going to cook only 2 more minutes. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our dish is all ready. So good. I got my serving platter and I'm going to take it out. My fry pan is so slippery as soon as I try to put it in. Ooh, look at this. Nice, steamy. This is really easy to make, but it's super delicious. The pork meat with mushroom and bell pepper is all ready, and it's looking super tasty and super delicious. And I'm going to try it. It's super delicious. I'm going to get a meat. It's nicely cooked. These mushrooms, I love it. And the bell pepper, I feel like eating it. It's very tasty, I'm not kidding. It's well cooked. And you can serve as an appetizer, you can serve as a main dish, and it's perfect with the rice. I hope you like this dish. Please try it, and if you like it, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and bye-bye.